Everyone, look at this incredible spread. I'm so excited to begin. These fried balls and saucy meat pieces are calling my name. Let's get started. Look at this spread. Time for another egg. Dipping heavily into this rich gravy. Look at that coating. Perfect. Oh, this is so good. The gravy is perfect. One more bite. So spicy and flavorful. The heat is perfect. That was good. Now for a green chili. Spicy. Now the egg. Perfect combo. Looks so good. Wow, so tender and flavorful.